In this demo, I'm going to show off my custom GPT that I made to simulate requirements gathering in a low stress, low stakes way. So a custom GPT is just regular ChatGPT plus a system prompt and some files. And I've included some sample questions to ask. And so here we can go ahead as an example. And so here it's giving us information about why they don't want their original reporting. And there's some really interesting information here. So we see that they're used to using Excel, it's too manual, any changes are particularly expensive, all this kind of stuff. We may ask for more information. So we may say, so you have two different types of reports? Give me more detail about the Excel. Okay, so this is interesting information. So at this point, I would probably want to consider looking at the actual report itself. And so, oh, hey, there's a convenient link to learn more, right? Now, normally, a customer is not going to be so helpful in terms of what's negotiable, what's not. So this isn't perfect, but I do like how it kind of guides you with stuff. So again, as they say, ChatGPT can make mistakes. Now, the other thing to be aware of is the more questions you ask it, the worse it's going to get. So I might say, who is the primary approver of this project? And the thing to understand is that the longer the text window, the longer the context window, the worse that it does. And at a certain point, it has to truncate it. So what I recommend is once you've gone through enough times, you might decide to say, start a new chat. And so you may say, what's your general budget? Worth being aware of. Again, a customer may not be as forward about some of these details, and you may have to dig some of that information out. But this is a great way to practice and just safely get a feel for things and to think of questions to ask. Additionally, we include a list of questions that you can ask if you're not sure where to start.